Well, we can't tell you how certain we are. What we are saying is that the process through which people come into office is far more fundamental than even what they do when they're office. If the process is faulty, you're likely going to have bad governance. You're not likely to have corrupt governance because the process through which they come into office is corrupt and they will sustain the corruption. If it is bad, it is going to be bad because there's no way people can come from a bad process and do the right thing. But for the Nigerian citizens, we've gone through bad governance enough that this is time for us to take charge. It is time for us to say enough is enough. Because that process, faulty process we're allowing, is allowing poor education of our children, allowing increased infant mortality because of no primary health care, allowing hunger, despair, unemployment. So this is time for us to know that fighting the electoral process and making sure it's right is about fixing what is bad in our country. Thank you.